Ever spent hours stitching Kafka pipelines just to track a single user click? Building Clickstream Analysis solves the chaos of fragmented tools, batch delays, and brittle schemas haunting modern dev teams. This skill delivers battle tested Kafka connectors for real time event ingestion, Spark structured streaming workflows that cut batch processing latency by 70%, and dashboard templates pre-wired for Power BI Tableau integration. Imagine deploying cloud-agnostic pipelines across AWS, GCP, Azure without rewriting configs. For full-stack devs drowning in elk stacks, data engineers battling schema drift, or DevOps leads stuck in CI/CD hell, this is your escape hatch. Stop debugging pipelines. Start shipping insights. Here's what's inside the Building Clickstream Analysis skill. Real-time event ingestion with Kafka connectors pre-configured for AWS Kinesis compatibility. Batch processing workflows using Spark structured streaming with Delta Lake optimizations. Interactive dashboard templates featuring pre-built Tableau visualizations for funnel analysis and user path tracking. Automated schema evolution powered by Confluent schema registry integrations. Cloud-agnostic deployment configurations with Terraform modules for AWS, GCP/Azure. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a template, it's your new development superpower. Installing the Building Clickstream Analysis skill takes one command. npx quanta-skills add Building Clickstream Analysis. That's it. You'll download the complete skill containing expert-level guidance, production-grade Kafka configurations, and Spark structured streaming code templates. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands Kafka Connect patterns, Delta Lake optimizations, and cloud deployment strategies. No more guessing games. Just ship perfect pipelines on the first try.